OpenAI is the leading artificial intelligence research lab and company. It has made significant contributions in the field of AI. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the journey of OpenAI. We will explore the company's history, its mission, and some of the recent achievements. Let's get started. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by a group of high-profile tech entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, and organizations like AWS, YC Research, Infosys of India. The company was initially established to freely collaborate with other institutions and researchers by making its patent open to the public. In its early years, the company focused on conducting research and development work in the field of artificial intelligence, with a particular emphasis on natural language processing and machine learning. One of the key achievements of OpenAI in its early stage was the development of GPT, Generative Pre-training Transformer language model. GPT was a major advancement in the natural language processing field, as it was able to generate text and complete some of the tasks like summarizations, translations, transformations, answering questions. In addition to its research work, OpenAI also focused on promoting the concept of friendly artificial intelligence and responsible development of AI. The company engaged in various partnerships and collaborations with other organizations in order to further achieve these goals. Overall, the early years of OpenAI was marked by significant progress and achievements in the field of AI, as well as strong focus on the responsible development of AI. Now let's talk about its growth and expansions. Since its founding, OpenAI has experienced significant expansion and growth. The company has added new team members and researchers in its ranks and has expanded its research efforts to cover a wider range of artificial intelligence topics. One notable example of company's expansion was the establishment of OpenAI Gym, a platform in 2016. OpenAI Gym is a platform for developing and comparing reinforcement learning algorithms and has become an important resource for researchers in the field of AI. Now let's take a look of its growth journey. In 2016, OpenAI introduced OpenAI Gym, as I told, a platform of developing and comparing reinforcement learning algorithms. In 2018, Musk resigned from the board, and the reason for this resignation was a potential future conflict of interest with the Tesla AI, since Tesla AI was also developing the self-driving cars. So that is the reason why Elon Musk stepped down from the board but remained as a donor into this company. In the same year, GPT, Generative Pre-training Transformation model, was also published. The natural language processing model that is able to generate human-like text and complete tasks such as translations and summarizations. In 2019, OpenAI transitions from a non-profit organization to a cap to profit with a profit cap of 100K of its investment. So any company or any organizations is investing X amount in OpenAI, they are allowed to make 100X of that investment as a profit. In the same year, the company distributed equity to its all employees and partnered with Microsoft, who announced an investment of $1 billion into the company. In 2020, GPT-3, a newer version of GPT model with even more advanced natural language processing capabilities, was launched. In 2021, DALL-E, an AI model that can generate images from textual descriptions, allowing it to create unique, creative AI work, which is called the AI art. This was a path-breaking development. In December 2022, OpenAI received widespread media coverage after launching a free preview of ChatGPT, its new AI chatbot based on GPT 3.5. According to OpenAI, the preview received over 1 million sign-ups within the first 5 days. As I told earlier, that Microsoft has invested $1 billion in OpenAI, and this comes with a multi-year strategic partnership to develop AI-based supercomputing technologies on Azure. OpenAI runs on Azure. Pretty much all of its products are running on Azure, including ChatGPT and DALL-E. Microsoft will offer ChatGPT as a product and will also build on top of it hundreds of services. Recently, Microsoft has confirmed to integrate ChatGPT with Bing Search to compete Google, that is Amazon. Now to conclude this fascinating journey, I think OpenAI has a great start of healthy AI development. The products that are developed would play an important role in the future. I am seeing the possibility of many startups being created around OpenAI, where generative models should act as a giant intelligence supercomputing based model, and each startup will have their specialized APIs to solve a specific problem by using this giant master model. This is what I am thinking. It is going to be a fascinating journey in future. We will need to be ready to embrace it. Thanks for watching it. If you have reached to this point, that means you have enjoyed my video and the information that I have shared. So please, I request you to subscribe my channel. That will help me to grow and make more valuable content like this. Thanks again. This is Sudipta signing off.